We're gonna cook eggy for Marley. Yay! For time.
It's so fast!
It's so fast.
It's so fast! It's already cooking.
It's cooking now.
It's so fast. Maybe this pan is so magical.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Ooh.
Is it done?
Is it done?
Is it done?
Oh, I show you how to flip it like this.
Whoa!
Amazing. Did you cook rice, Dime?
Yummy eggy!
Who cooked it?
Me and Don!
Look at that.
So yummy! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Oh my. How about you? You're done eating chicken. Who's carnivorous?
Me!
How about carnivore?
I'm old.
This is how you cook egg and eat egg.